Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about Instagram Threads. Threads is a new platform which is very similar to Twitter. Why Threads works right now? Because Threads is new. It gives an opportunity for lots of new agencies and models to try to go viral fast in here instead of other platforms that already have thousands of competitors. It's basically the same concept as Twitter. You can do comment baiting, you can do posting, you can go viral organically if you have the right content and captions. I personally use a black hat strategy for Threads, which I call the Threads mother-slave strategy. For this strategy you need one main account and 50 to 100 slave accounts. How it works, you have 50 to 100 slave accounts where each one of those accounts follows 50 people every day with a following bot and funnels traffic into the main account. So what's the purpose of the main account and how do you set it up? This account will be converting all the traffic that will come from the slave accounts. How to set it up? Create Threads account from Instagram. Threads will pull followers automatically if you have a main Instagram account. Add profile picture and bio. Turn off based in location if not in USA. Do not drop OF link immediately. Let the account warm up. If you want to know what content to post on the main account and how to grow the account organically, you can find more information inside my Discord. Now I'll show you how to set up your slave accounts. First of all, you can buy this account inside my Discord. As for the setup, you set them up similar to the main account. Profile picture, link in bio, but you also add a call to action directing people to your main account. This is how a slave account should look like after you've set it up. Call to action to tell people to go and follow the main account. Here's some CTAs you can use for the slave accounts. Just little side page, catch me on the main. Side account, LOL, follow main account instead. In these slave accounts, I recommend posting 1 to 2 posts only. Use a good picture of your model. Make sure you use the caption to drive traffic to the main account. Here's some example captions. Barely post here, go to main account for real stuff. Side account, LOL, follow main account instead. Make sure you always tag your main account. Now you're gonna run all the slave accounts in an anti-detect browser like AdsPower. And you're gonna use proxies so each slave account has a different IP so you don't get banned. Now the most important part of the strategy, the mass follow method. So once you've set up these slave accounts, you're gonna use them to follow people at scale. How it works is, I have a mass follow bot that automates this whole process. You can use this bot on unlimited accounts. It has fully customizable settings and it's easy to install. In fact, let me show you how the bot works. So once you've set up your slave accounts, you're gonna go into another model's profile like this, for example. Then you go into her latest post. You click view activity. You go into likes. And then you sort by most recent. The reason we do this is because we only want to follow people who have been recently active. Then we click on the bot. You put in the follow amount and then the follow delay. The follow delay is in seconds. I usually recommend you put 7 to 15 in here. But since this is a demo, I'm going to put 2 and 3. And then you click start. As you can see, the bot starts following people randomly from the list. So basically, once you set up all of your slave accounts, you open multiple profiles on AdsPower, click start on the bot and let the bot automatically do mass following. As you can see, the bot will stop by itself once it has finished. The reason this strategy works so well to get OnlyFans subscribers is because the follow acts as a nudge. The user sees that a creator account has followed them, which may prompt them to check out the profile, like what they see, proceed to the OF link directly in the slave account, or go into the main account and click into the OF link from there. So basically, you're forcing traffic into your link. You're using these slave accounts to follow these guys. They're gonna go and see why this girl followed me. They're gonna go into the profile, see the photos, either go to the main account, see more content and convert there by clicking the link in bio, or they're gonna click the link in bio right away in the slave account. This strategy works better for free subs. You also need to make the account look somewhat realistic. Having a few posts and a nice pin post helps a lot. Now, if you want to learn more about this strategy, inside my Discord you'll find 7 channels with more in-depth information on setting up your main account and warming it up, how many times to post per day on your main Threads account and how much to wait between posts, the exact captions you should use on your main account's posts, what type of content works best for your main account, where to find viral potential posts and recreate them, get access to the Threads bot, where to buy proxies and how to set them up on AdsPower. So yeah, to join my private Discord, click the link in the description of this video and DM me once you're inside.